You and Jungkook love each other so much, but suddenly one day, all of a sudden, he just left you and went to abroad. You searched for him everywhere, but couldn't find him. After a few weeks, you got to know you were pregnant with a child. Your mom got to know about your pregnancy and she forced you to marry her business partner's son. If not, she could kill your unborn baby. After a few months, you got married to Oliver while you were pregnant with Jungkook's child. From the day one, he was so cool towards you and treated you rudely. You go alone to check up every month, and after 3 months, you gave birth to a baby boy. And you name him Missy. Oliver didn't even help you little bit to take care of your son. You alone took care of your son till he grew up. After 5 years, Missy, you as he came running towards you from a school. You came so soon as he removed a school bag and sat beside you. Mom, they left us soon, and you know, my class teacher dropped me and went. Why your school bus didn't drop you? No, mom, the bus was not starting and they informed all parents, but as your phone was off, so my teacher dropped me. Okay, tell your teacher thanks from my side tomorrow. Go and change your uniform and come. I made cookies for snacks. Okay, mom, I'll come back soon. He took his ID and school bag and went to his room. Later that night, you made Missy to eat his dinner and you were helping him to finish his homework. After a few minutes, Uriva came back from his work. Dad, tomorrow is parents teacher meeting. Will you come for it? I can't come anywhere with you. Just take your mom with you and go. But dad, you to come with us, please. Everyone come with both mom and dad. Stop arguing and sleep now. Then he went to his dinner. Mom, why dad don't come with us anywhere? Don't he love us? He loves us a lot. You smiled at him. You need to go to school tomorrow morning. Sleep now as you made him to lay on a bed. And you were telling story, then he slept while hugging you after a few minutes. And you too slept with him. Next day, parents teacher meeting was going on and Missy was waiting for you. Just now one parent went after talking with Jungkook. Missy, what happened? Are you waiting for your parents? Yes, sir, I'm waiting for my mom. She told she'll come within 12 o'clock, but still she didn't come. Don't worry, Missy, she must be coming, as one by one parents were coming. After a few minutes, Missy, I'm sorry, I got stuck in the traffic as he came inside. As soon as Jungkook heard your voice, he turned and saw you, and you both were so shocked. Mom, it's okay as he made you to sit near him on the chair while Jungkook was talking with other student parents. And after a few minutes, it was Messy's turn, so he got up and went near Jungkook. Ma'am, your son Messy studies so well, there's nothing to complain about him at all. And it's all because of my mom as he hugged you tightly. Here's the report card as he gave the report card and you took it from him. So we need to sign it now, yeah, and give back to me. You saw this report card and signed the card. Okay, sir, thank you as he got up and sat near Missy. One point of view, you couldn't believe the guy who you were searching for long time is your son's teacher now. Missy, so he's your class teacher? Yes, ma'am, my old class teacher got retired and Jungkook is my new class teacher. Okay, Missy, I'm going. Eat your lunch fully and come back safely. Okay, mom, bye. Then he went away. Jungkook point of view, I can't believe I just now talked to my wife and she got married and has a son too. He was seeing you going from here. After a few days, you prepared dinner and came inside and saw Messi was sleeping. You sat on a bed. Vian point of view, he was watching cartoon and now he's sleeping. As you tried to wake him up, when you touched him, he was literally so hot. Messi, as you tried to wake him up, and he got up and was opening his eyes slowly. You tried to give him tablets, so you took the medicine box, but you couldn't find it. Vian point of view, the tablets are not there. I will call Uriwa and tell him to bring the tablets while coming, as you couldn't call him because the signal was not there. You thought to take Messi to the hospital, but it was raining so heavily. Even you can't book any taxi and call anyone. Suddenly, Oliva came back from his work. Oliva, Messi is having a high fever. Can you take him to the hospital? I can't. I came just now in this heavy rain and you're telling me to go? Take your son to the hospital as he gave you the car key. Oliva, you know I don't know to drive the car. So I can't go anywhere. If not, let him suffer like this. Okay, take care of him. I'll go bring tablets and come. Missy, mom will come back soon. You kissed his forehead and went away. After a few minutes, Urewa was sleeping. Dad, can you make soup for me, please? As he tried to wake him up. How dare you wake me up while I was sleeping? You will definitely get punishment for it. He made Missy to stand outside the balcony and lock the door. Dad, open the door. It's raining heavily and I'm feeling cold, please, as he was crying and tapping the door. But Oliva doesn't care and he laid on a bed and slept. As it was raining so heavily, he couldn't find any shop or near the vehicles. But you somehow managed to buy tablet and was walking by in a rain. Jungkook came just now after meeting his friend and he saw you walking by in a heavy rain. He came near you and held your hand. Why, where are you going in this heavy rain? Leave me, I need to go. My son is sick. I'll leave you at your home. No need of it, I can go by my own. See, Ryan, it's raining heavily and even Missy is sick. You can go to your home soon. Okay, Jungkook bought his car here and you sat inside his car and he drove his car to your home. Jungkook drove his car to your home and you got down from his car. Thanks for your help as you heard Missy crying voice from balcony and saw him standing in heavy rain. Missy? As he quickly went inside, even Jungkook came with you. You came to your room and opened the door and saw Missy was getting wet in rain. Missy, who locked you here? It's Dad. I begged him to open the door, but he didn't open the door. Oliva came out from the bathroom. Oh, you came. And who's this? Oliva, why did you block Messi in a balcony? He was sick and it was raining heavily as he gave a tight slap on his face. Dad to slap me as he raised his hand on you, but Jungkook held his hand and pushed it. You don't deserve to be a father at all. Shame on you. Why and come, let's take Messi to the hospital. Jungkook took Messi in his arms and you both took Messi to the hospital in his car. After half an hour, doctor treated Messi and is laying on a bed. Why your husband treat Messi in such a bad way? It's because he's not his real son. Then so he is, yeah, he's yours and my son. I was pregnant when you left me and went away 5 years ago. And my mom forced me to marry Oriwa. Nothing different from you and Oriwa, you both are same. Oriwa treated me and Missy badly and you left me and went away without a word. Thank you for helping my son. Now I can take care of my son. But before going, I want to tell you something. You think I left you wantedly? No, it's because of your mom. She forced me to leave to abroad. If not, she could kill herself. But I didn't agree to go, so he tried to kill me by hitting me from the truck. And she thought I died, but I was in coma this many years. Just few months ago, I came into conscious and I came to know you got married to someone and thought you must be happy with him. So I didn't want to disturb you. But mom told me you left to abroad. I'm really sorry, Jungkook. I mistook you. It's okay, Ryan. Let's forget about everything and start a new life together with Missy. He held your hand. Yeah, of course. You smiled at him while kissing Missy's hair. You were happy finally you found your first love, Jungkook, and Missy's real dad.